Hey folks, welcome back to class. Thanks so much for joining us. We are rocking a new unit soon about the body, but before we do, let's review mitosis. So I need you guys to go to Schoology, do the mitosis math discussion and the Henrietta Lacks questions for homework due Wednesday. Hey guys, let's look at our question of the day, which is answerable on Schoology. In other words, mitosis. If a type of cell goes through mitosis every 20 minutes, how many cells will there be in 4 hours? Question mark. Think about it. Enter the Schoology mitosis math problems and let's begin. Well, here's a hint. First thing you're going to have to figure out is how many minutes in an hour. Then you're going to have to figure out how many hours we're talking about. Hey, it's 4 hours. So how many 20-minute cycles are there? Think about it. One cell becomes 2 cells after 20 minutes. Each of those also divides into 2 after 40 minutes. How many cells do you have after 4 hours? Here's how many cells you have after 1 hour. Would you just multiply this number by 4? No, it's exponential growth. We're not going to be able to do something as simple as that. Let's go back to the hints. I'll leave those up and have you guys think about how you're going to go about solving this problem. How many 20 cycle minutes are there in an hour? Well, if 1 hour is 60 minutes, the cell will divide 3 times in 1 hour. How many times will it divide in 4 hours? If it divides 3 times in 1 hour, how many times will it divide in 4 hours? Now that we know that, how do cells divide? How many cycles are we going to need to figure out? Here's 2. Here's 3. There's 4. How far do I have to continue my tree diagram? Go ahead and put your answer in Schoology. And here's a big hint, because after 24 hours, here's how many cells we have. Good luck, guys. Not going to be easy. Today we're going to talk about mitosis and about how cells are used in research, specifically about the immortal cells of Henrietta Lacks. To do today's assignment, you'll need to answer 4 questions in Schoology. Who was Henrietta Lacks? What is special about her cells? How are her cells used? And what is your opinion about her cells and how they've been used? Please answer all 4 of these questions in complete sentences in Schoology and back up your answers. To know a little bit more about what HeLa cells are and who Henrietta Lacks was, you have to know that HeLa cells have been used in education, teaching, disease research, even COVID, scientific policy, space, clinical, and other cell research. These cells are an extremely important part of the 20th century scientific discoveries involving medicine, space, disease, and you name it. So please watch the videos that go with this, and then please read the articles, and then open the sheet in Schoology. Let's take a quick look at what Schoology looks like at this moment. Here's Schoology's directions for the week. Notice you have some videos and some directions. Let's take a quick look at your assignment for this week. When you open your folder, you'll see a couple of things here. Of course, the math that we just did, and the HeLa background questions. If I were to open this assignment, which you will, I'll notice it's due Wednesday by midnight. Here are the background information pieces that I need you to open and view and read. Here are the questions. Simply open it, make sure you can read them, make sure you can type on it. If you need to open it in the desktop app, you can do that too, and make sure editing is turned on. I open it in the desktop app to get the best possible experience out of this Word document. It will save directly to Schoology, and you will get a grade based on your effort, your thought about these questions, and if you backed up your answers. Okay guys, I'm not going to play the videos here during this video because you can simply go to Schoology and click on them. That's the bell, and that means that I've got to go to my next class and you've got to get to work. So I'll see you next time. Thanks for trying science, and have fun and do a great job on your lesson today. See you later. Bye now.